Hello my dear students, welcome to my channel. In the last class we have learned basic structure of HTML and you have also have seen the output of this structure, how the output will look like. So let's see each one of them in detail. Okay. So first of all, every tag in HTML is called a element. So first element we have here after HTML tag is head. So what is the head element? Head element is actually a container for all the head elements. Means in this tag the information of title or the styles or the document script can be there. Okay, means the head element consists of information of the appearance or you can say of the properties of the document. Okay, means what information you have about the document. Okay, in grade 7 inside the head element you will only learn the title element. Later on when you will reach in grade 9 and 10, there you will read you will study more about this head element, means more tags inside the head elements. Okay, like the styles, meta information and more. So title element, what is this title element? It always is inside the head element. You can see here head inside this title, my first HTML page, and always title is closing tag also. This one is closing tag and head we have closed here. So title element, whatever you will write in the title element, like my first HTML page, that it will show in the title bar of the web page. Means like when you will see the browser title bar or when you want to add some URL to the bookmarks. Okay, that time that is the title element. Okay, so now the type of tags. What are the types of tags in our HTML code? Okay, so there are basically two types of tags. First one is container and empty tags. Means container tags are those who have starting tag as well as closing tag. Closing tag always close with this forward slash. Okay, and empty tags means those who have only opening tag, not the closing tag. Like example, you can see this B. Later on we will study B means bold. Okay, this is closing tag, means this is container tag. And BR is an empty tag, means it is a line break. When you want to go to another line, give us a line break, then that time you have to use this tag BR and it is an empty tag. HR means it is a like horizontal line. HR means horizontal rule. When you want to draw a line horizontally, that times you have to use HR and it is a empty tag. And the tags like this here, head, HTML, body, these all are the container tags because it has a closing tag. See, head is here, head is also closed, body is also closed, and HTML is also closed. That means the closing tags which they have closing tags, that are the container tags. Okay, now body element. What is the body element? Actually whatever the contents you want to write, it will be always be inside the body element. And body element of a web page is important in regards to the page appearance, how you want to decorate the web page, like the text color, or you can say background color, or background image if you want to insert as a background image. That type of information is inside the body element. So now let's see what are the attributes of body tag to control all the labels. Means attributes. What are the attributes? Attributes are actually the properties of the tags. Means the properties of body tag is its attributes. Okay, like first attribute is text. This text. and the value of this RRGGBB, this is the value of the attribute. You can put here any color like blue, red, any color, not this RRGG. You can give any value, but always write inside the double quote. Okay, if you are not writing the value inside double quote, it will not get the, you will not get the result. Okay, and now see how to write the tag body BG color. Means you can write it in the same line. BG color means background color. This is also one attribute of body element. You are writing the body tag and BG color equals to the value like yellow, okay, and the closing tag, body tag. Okay, now image background. If you want to insert background image, you have to write like this: body background equals to hi.gif. Means if you want to insert any image, you have to copy the location of that image. Okay, all the location, like it where it is. It is in desktop, your folder name, your picture name, photo name, all you have to copy by, you can copy the path location by right clicking the properties menu, and you can copy that, and you can have to paste here. Okay, BG color like this. So there are three attributes you have learned about the body tag. First one, background. Background means background image. BG color means background color, and text means the color of the text. Okay, three attributes, and value you can give by your own choice, like yellow, red, whatever the color you want to put. Okay, now heading element. What is the heading element? Actually, if you want to write the text from bigger to smaller, that means you have to use heading element. Heading element, okay, like it is from H1 to H6. There are 6 heading tags in HTML. Okay, H1 will be the highest level of heading, H2 as the next highest, and so forth. Okay, and S6 will be the smallest one. Okay, if you want to use like that. See here the example of heading tag. See here in the body tag, inside the body tag, H1, H2 I have used up to S6. And how it will look like, see here, the heading 1 is the biggest, is the highest level, and heading 6 is the smallest level. So it will look like this. Okay, so now this is the code I have written here. Okay, and you have to write this code in Notepad or the app which you have installed, that Solo Learn, and you can see the output. But if you are using the mobile version, don't use this background, because background image attribute is not supported here. Okay, but if you are using laptop, you can give the background as this. Background equals to, you have to copy like this users HP desktop, because in my laptop I have saved that photo, this photo, you can see this photo here, users HP desktop friends.jpg. But if you are copying the another image, you have to see the properties where I have saved and copy paste. Okay, copy paste the location over here, and always inside the double quote. And don't forget to write this angular bracket, closing angular bracket. Okay, if anything is missing here from this code, the output will not shown. Okay, you will not get the correct output. And one more thing, H1 align equals to center. Means if you want to write the text in center like this, this is right, this is left, in the right, middle, center. So align means the position of the text. Okay, you can see the differences. This is the highest level and this is one is the lowest level, means smallest level. Okay, and if you are not giving any align attribute, like see H4, I have not given any align attribute, by default it will be in left side. See H4, India is fighting against corona. Okay, so you can write here your name. Hi, I am like, just change the name, but don't write anything else. Like you can write the I'm in my home, your home place. Okay, but don't write anything else which is not meaningful. Okay, Okay, so this align is also the attribute of heading tag. Don't forget, we have learned one more attribute of the heading tag, that is align. And the attributes of body tag are text, bg color and background. Okay, so please go through the program, and those who have laptop, check the output in laptop, and those who have Solo Learn app, please check the output and send me the output of this program. But don't use background, this line, because it will not be supported in mobile version. Okay, thank you class. So you can see here the output. Okay.